Most flames require oxygen, fuel, and sufficient heat to ignite and stay light. When baking soda and vinegar are combined, the immediate acid-base reaction creates carbonic acid. Carbonic acid is unstable and decomposes into carbon dioxide and water. The bubbling that you see inside of the container is the production of the carbon dioxide gas. When you pour out the container, you're exposing the flame to concentrated carbon dioxide gas. The lack of oxygen extinguishes the flame.
Bleach does something that water, very obviously, does not: fades color. This process is called bleaching or whitening and is a result of either oxidizing or reducing. Oxidizing bleach works by breaking chemical bonds between the molecule of dye. The result of molecule after being oxidized will no longer absorb visible light, resulting in faded colors. Bleach can also fade colors through reducing. Reducing bleach converts double bond into single bond. The reducing process results in a molecule that is unable to absorb visible light.
Last Vita.
Dahil sa usilak ng inyong puso, isang kahilingan.
Sports car! Yung red!
How does it work? It may appear that one paper ball is floating on the water while the other ball sinks, but it is entirely about density. Instead, what you are observing is a difference in the surface tension of the water. Soap is a surfactant, or a compound that lowers the surface tension of a liquid. Soap, in particular, decreases the amount of surface tension of water by weakening the hydrogen bonds that make water such a special substance.
Bango ah.
Lucky me eh.
Okay.
Ayaw paawat sa sarap ng Lucky Me Pansit Canton.
When you add detergent to the water, the surface tension of water is lowered. Water normally bulges up a bit, like what you see when you look at a water drop. When the surface tension is lowered, the water wants to spread out. As the water flattens on the dish, the pepper that is floating on the top of water is carried to the outer edge of the plate as if by magic.